In this video, we will learn how to connect to SAP HANA from the Denodo platform. Let us start from SAP HANA Web-Based Development Workbench Catalog, where we can execute SQL queries against the tables. Open the SQL Console tab to provide the query and execute the table using the Run option. Now, let's connect SAP HANA from Denodo Platform and pull the same set of data through the JDBC driver distributed by SAP. By default, the JDBC driver for SAP HANA is not included in Denodo Platform. You can find the respective JDBC driver located under the path C, Program Files, SAP HDB Client on Microsoft Windows platforms and User SAP HDB Client on Linux Unix platforms, which comes along with SAP HANA installation directory. First and foremost step in connecting to SAP HANA is creating a JDBC data source in Denodo Platform, which can be done by selecting File, New, Data Source, JDBC option. Under the Data Source configuration window, provide a name for the data source, then choose the database adapter as SAP HANA 1 provided by the Denodo platform. However, by default the JDBC driver for SAP HANA is not included in Denodo platform. Hence, you need to download the SAP HANA JDBC driver from the SAP official site and place it under the driver class path location. Then provide the JDBC URI that contains the host, port and schema information pointing to the SAP HANA. For instance, JDBC : SAP : hostname : port number : database equals name of the database. Then we need to give the authentication details for the connection. Specify the login and password of the user that has access to the SAP HANA tables. Once all configuration is done, select Test Connection option to ensure if this connection is successful. Click OK and save the data source. Then you can navigate to the Create Base View tab to introspect the tables of SAP HANA and create them as base views in Denodo Platform. For this demonstration, we have chosen the SAP HANA demo schema. Selecting this schema and expanding the Tables section, you can find the list of available tables. Choose the tables that are needed for integrating with other sources and click on Create Selected option at the top to create those tables as base views. Once done, specify the name of the base view and save it by clicking on the Save option. After creating the data source and base view, we can now retrieve the data from the SAP HANA. To execute the tables, click the Execution Panel button on the top right corner of the base view definition. The execution window will appear at the bottom panel of the base view. Click on the Execute button on the top right side of the Execute tab. Now you can see all the data is retrieved from the SAP HANA data source and displayed on the Query Results tab. So far, we have seen how easy and simple it is to connect SAP HANA and retrieve data from it. Now, let's see how we can combine this view with other views that are created over disparate data sources. Let's assume an organization having data fragmented between two heterogeneous data sources, like in this case SAP Hana and a legacy file system, which is Excel. For this demonstration, we have already created a view from Excel data source, which holds the department information of each employee. Now, let's combine the SAP Hana view with this one. To do so, right-click on the SAP view, BV SAP Hana Employees, New, and choose Join. Under the Model tab, drag and drop the Excel view, BV Emp Department, from the Elements tree. Join the columns from the two views to define a relationship between the views. Then, navigate to the Output tab and specify a meaningful name for the integrated view, and then save it. Once done, click the Execution Panel button and then on the Execute button on the top right side of the Execute tab. On executing this view, you can get results of the join operation. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you learned about how to connect and combine SAP HANA data from Denodo Platform.